What's the difference between advice and advise? Explain with example sentences. This is something even I didn't pay attention to until a few months ago when I wrongly used advise. Advice is the noun and advise is the verb. This is worth repeating. Advice is a noun and advise is a verb. Advice is something that you give. Advise is something that you do. If you cut something with a knife, the knife is advice, and the act of cutting is advice. In advice, the C sounds like S, something like ice or nice. Advice. In advice, the S sounds like Z or Z, something like prize or flies. Advise. You give someone advice, but you advise someone. Here is an example. It was a nice advice that I take an umbrella before going out because within 5 minutes it was raining cats and dogs. You don't say it was a nice advice. It is always it was a nice advice. Let me give you a piece of advice. You should regularly practice writing. Advice, on the other hand, as I explained just now, is an act of giving advice. At that moment he was quite agitated and I couldn't come up with the right way to advise him. It is always, I want to advise you and not, I want to advise you. How do you remember whether you want to use advice or advise? It is like suggest and suggestions. When you are suggesting, you are giving a suggestion. Similarly, when you are advising, you are giving an advice. Or the difference between receiving someone's call and calling someone. When you are calling someone, the person on the other side receives your call. I advise you to take his advice seriously. Do you want my advice? Don't advise random people who are not interested in your opinion. Since they completely ignored his advice, he decided to mind his own business and let them face the consequences. He advised them to stay put for a while until the march of the Nazis was over. The attorney advised her client not to sign the contract. He followed the doctor's advice and decided to lose his weight. Advice is also used as a phrase, something like, these are nice words of advice, or I'm going to offer a piece of advice. Another way of knowing whether you want to use advise or advice is that you can use advice in different forms. It can be used in present form or past form. I will always advise you to stick to the truth no matter what. His father always advised him to stick to the truth no matter what. He is advising the president these days. You cannot do this with advice. There is no advised or advising. This concludes my video on the difference between advise and advice. Like this video, subscribe to my channel or click the bell icon to receive instant notifications.